Okay, this is my second circuit. I've completed it. I'm testing the second frequency generator output of it. Now look at this. Now look what happens when I adjust it to the left fully. Adjust it to the left. Fully. No, adjust it to the right. Sorry, right. Well, look at that. I get a square wave. A fucking standing square wave. That is unheard of. Now let's just press the button to get the frequencies up here. Okay. Now look at that. 8 volt per pulse, 7 volt per pulse frequency, 0 hertz, duty cycle. Now, what happens when I adjust it, get the square wave moving? There's no frequencies. I start to get a frequency, you've got 30 hertz and onwards, it starts to come on and off. That is weird, that is. Unheard of. Adjust it back to the right, no frequency, it's just a square wave. That's weird. Turn it fully to the left. Okay, I'll get these waveforms, other weird waveforms that seem to come up out of nowhere. It's like an upside down sawtooth wave. Okay, that's the circuit that's completed and finished. Yeah. Right, and that's the one I finished the other day. That one there. That was recreation of frequency generator number 14. This is a one when linked to the positive terminal of the electric motor on the scalar beamer, creates a bizarre frequency wave that interferes with the USB port on my computer continuously. If I adjust that more, that dial there. Right? Okay, now let's just check this out again. Now let's try adjusting the... I'm using another video camera so that we can... Okay. Adjust it more to 10 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, 2 milliseconds, 1 millisecond. 500 microseconds, and I'll go back to 1 millisecond. Now the waveform's coming along there. This is weird. It's weird, that is. Now, let's adjust the dial to the right, fully to the right. Now I've got this here. Okay, now I've got on 500 milliseconds. Adjust it fully to the right, 6 point something hertz. This is 9 hertz. Adjust it to the right. And look at this now. This gets weird. Right. Oh well, I'm going to upload this video onto YouTube now. Thank you for watching my latest video. And by the way, the camcorder I'm using now is a full spectrum camcorder I bought off Ghost Hunter Mickey in the United Kingdom years ago on eBay. So this has got better resolution, forming up closer than the other one has, which is the night vision one. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.